Testing, testing, testing. Welcome to the Crypto Boss Andrew family and channel. If you guys are new, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, hit the follow button. I am making a new TikTok channel. I will get into that in a second. Let me get this set up on TikTok, and then we will get started. What's Bitcoin doing? What's going on? We'll look at the markets and any altcoin requests that you guys may have, and we'll look at all of that. So first of all, let me figure out how this is going to get set up, and then we'll get started here on TikTok and YouTube. So if you guys are new, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, follow button. I am going to talk about some trades I'm in right now. All of them are long positions on the market. Now, that does not mean I'm bullish on Bitcoin, but it does mean that it's kind of the current sentiment that I'm in. All right, so let me get into it right now. I will show you my trades. They are on Mex Global. I just started this account, so it's not a ton of money, but I'm up 130% right now on PEPE 10x long from 11.2. Right now it's at 11.66. I'm up 118% on Wojak coin 20x long, and then I'm up on Rect coin 10x long about 40%, all of which I just entered a little bit ago. But again, it's not much money. But, I did just start the account, so let's kind of see what happens and go from there. I started the account with $77. So those are the current longs I'm in. Rect coin, I'm in along from PEPE and Wojak. I think PEPE is going to boom longer term. Short term, I did say there could be a pullback, but right now it does not look like that wants to happen. And Wojak has been printing money as well for a lot of people today. So, but first of all, let's start on Bitcoin. Then I'll do your requests, and then we'll go from there. Appreciate if you guys hit the follow button. By the way, I did make a new TikTok channel, Crypto Boss Andrew, but at the end there's 2 W's instead of 1. Go follow that one. I'm doing a giveaway for my 1,000th follower, because when we get to 1,000 followers, I can go live there. I'm gonna switch TikTok channels because the one I have right now it's kind of messed up with my live gifts and everything. It's kind of complicated, but so if that doesn't get resolved, I am going to have to restart my TikTok channel. But I am still going to be going live on this one until that gets to 1,000 followers over there. Anyways, long story short, that's what's going on with that. Let's look at Bitcoin right now. Currently, Bitcoin is sitting at $28,100. You can see right now the shorter-term resistance. If you don't break 28.3, I am looking for more downside. But let's just go to the daily chart and kind of go down from there. Daily chart on the RSI is in a downtrend. But you did put in a higher high recently, on the 14th of April, so that is a good sign. You made a higher low, and now you didn't even get overbought again. So to me right now, I wouldn't say that we haven't put a lower low in. As long as you stay above technically $26,970 for Bitcoin, that technically you're still bullish on the daily chart. And if you break 26,000, well, if you break 26,970, then that's a bad sign. So you're getting kind of close to that, so you kind of really need the rally right here. We'll see what happens. 4-hour chart is ready to boom to the upside. But to me, this is pretty bad. This looks pretty bad right now. This is exactly a rounded top, and that's not a good sign. Rounded tops are generally a bearish signal. There's really no measured move from it, but you just see that usually that is not a good signal. Rounded tops are. So hopefully you can hold this support, this local low here at $27,000 area. But right now it does not look like it wants to even get back above 28.2. So I don't like that. 4-hour chart though on the RSI is ready to boom to the upside. 1-hour chart is overbought, making a lower high, so that is not a good sign. And you're coming up to this rounded top resistance. And now if we go to the 15-minute chart, 15-minute chart is overbought. Putting in a lower high. The previous high in the 15-minute chart was 28,411, and now just recently you put in a high at 22. Now the interesting thing is, while Bitcoin looks bad, and I am calling for a move to the downside, and I hate to say that, that could put in a lower low here. I think Bitcoin's going to make a new low below 27,000, so that's not a good sign. I think it's going to put a lower low in. I think you probably go down to 26.5 on the next leg lower. So we'll see what happens, but that is really kind of what I'm looking for right now for Bitcoin. 26.5 is probably the next stop for Bitcoin, even though the 4-hour chart is looking good. Now, the interesting thing is a lot of these altcoins are really having a nice day today. Some of the top gainers right here, if my phone won't fall over, SHIB AI is up 74%. Wojak coin is up 50%. Rect coin. Most of these are new coins, meme coins. You can buy them on Amex Global or Uniswap. 34%. PEPE's up 17%, which is now, I think, crossed $500 million market cap. And then you got some of these other coins that are up 12 or 13%. ARB GPT was up like close to 100% yesterday. It's still doing pretty well. It's still at 41. So to me right now, this looks, I mean, a lot of these coins are just doing really well. And usually a lot of these coins will run when Bitcoin's going sideways or up. And right now Bitcoin's kind of taking a little bit of a dip today. So I'm really surprised that some of these coins are doing as well as they are. But I'm happy about it, you know. So if you guys have requests for coins, let me know and I'll look at them. By the way, like I said, I make a new TikTok channel, CryptoBoss Andrew, but there's 2 W's on the end. So go look that up on TikTok. The 1,000th follower of that channel will get $20 in Bitcoin. So that's kind of the giveaway I'm doing to incentivize people to go follow my other account as well. But that's what's going on. Appreciate the follow. And of course, like I said, go follow my other account as well. If you guys enjoy this, appreciate if you hit the like button and give me some coins to look through. I'm going to start on Rect coin because that is a coin that I'm currently in. And I do think that that this one can keep going to the upside. So Rect coin right now sitting at 18.27. I entered at 17 a little bit ago. This coin doesn't have a ton of liquidity, so that's probably why. I mean, it has a decent amount, right? But I don't know, the RSI on this is weird. I don't know why sometimes on TradingView the RSI doesn't work on all these new meme coins. I'm not quite sure what's going on with that. Daily chart will not have enough data for the RSI, but the 4-hour chart should. 4-hour chart is in a downtrend, so that's a good sign. You got the 1-hour chart right now, which made a higher low on this. So, you know, to me right now, this is looking juicy. Trying to bottom right there. And the 15-minute chart right now, you know, it tried to get overbought and it's trying to make a new high above 18.8, which it just made a little bit ago. And if we go down to the 5-minute chart, this could become a cup and handle right here on Rect coin. So we'll kind of see what happens. You would kind of need it to flag out like this, and then the price would come down here a little bit and then hopefully go up. That doesn't have to happen, but you know, it is definitely a possibility. So anyways, Rect coin, I'm kind of looking for a move to the upside. So I think that if this is going to become a cup and handle, that would take you to a new high, probably around 19. I'm liking what I'm seeing out of Wojak coin on the smaller time frames. It is really making higher highs and higher lows. So Wojak coin, another one I really like. 1 minute chart's already oversold. That's a higher low, at least on the small time frames. And as long as it stays above this green line right here, this one that's sloping upwards, I'm going to stay in my long. So right now, as long as it stays above 317, I'm staying in my long. And then PEPE coin, of course, PEPE coin, I'm going to do a longer video on this. Because PEPE coin is doing very well. I do think PEPE could be the next Doge or Shiba, and I bought both of them, but I never held long enough, so I'm not going to make that same mistake here. I'm at least going to trade the crap out of PEPE to make as much money as possible, even if I don't hold it long term. So, welcome to the CryptoBoss Andrew family. If you guys are new, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe button on YouTube. And let's check out PEPE. I think PEPE has long-term stability. I think can be the next meme coin. I think it can compete eventually with Doge and Shiba coin. And I'm going to trade the crap out of it. I'm not going to miss out like I did last time with Doge and Shiba. Both of them I bought really low, but I just never held on. I won't make the same mistake with this one. I do think that these have the power to become I think this PEPE will someday in this next bull run be a $10 billion market cap coin. On the 4-hour chart, you see it's getting oversold. To me, I'm looking at this. I mean, it's going straight parabolic, but it is flagging out right now on the 4-hour chart. That is beautiful. Let me just actually completely clear the drawings for PEPE, and let's kind of see what I'm looking at. This is beautiful. To me, I didn't see this on the 4-hour chart. I just looking at this for the first time because actually I was looking at the smaller time frames earlier. But to me right now, PEPE wants to keep going on the wow. So I'm currently in a trade on PEPE. This makes me want to hold my trade longer term. 24 is the measure move out of this bull flag on PEPE. 2386 if you want to be officially correct about it. That would put you for a 100% move to the upside. I'm in a 20x long right now, so that would be 20 times 100% move. So I'd be up, I don't know, 20, at least 20 times my money. Yeah, probably 20 times my money. That would make sense. So anyways, PEPE looks really good to me. I think it could go to 2386 for a new all-time high. 4-hour chart bull flag. That is awesome. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, kind of zoom in a little bit. 1-hour chart, you can still see it's kind of in the bull flag. We can move these lines a little bit. But to me right now, it's still in a bull flag on the 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart and 4-hour chart look good. 1-hour chart's just getting started. Would suggest you can make a higher high. And the 15-minute chart, kind of making higher low. Okay, so this is what's going on. You're making lower highs and lower and higher lows. Again, consolidating this bull flag. To me right now, I am calling for PEPE to make a move to a new all-time high between 23 and 24. That would take you above $1 billion market cap. I think tomorrow at some point we hit that target, $1 billion market cap on PEPE. Yeah. So currently I'm in a trade from 11.2, and this is what I'm looking at right now is making me very excited for this trade setup that I'm in right now. I'm only putting this line here so I kind of know where I got in, but yeah, so that's kind of it for PEPE. To me, it looks really bullish. If you guys enjoy this analysis, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, follow me on TikTok as well. Crypto Boss Angel with 2 W's on the end. I did make a new TikTok channel, but to me, PEPE looks like it wants to make a run to the upside. I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate the follows. So guys, hit the likes. Come on, we gotta get the likes going a little bit more on TikTok. There's no excuse for that. Come on, let's go. But yeah, PEPE coin looks like it to me. It looks like it wants to make another run to the upside. Let me see if anyone's watching on TikTok or YouTube, I should say. Yeah, PEPE. Wow, PEPE looks like it wants to keep going. I'm looking forward to this trade because I do think it's gonna make a new all-time high. PEPE, that's gonna be my coin or coin I'm gonna trade for the rest of the week. And I think PEPE is gonna be the best performing coin of this week by far. So PEPE is the one I'll be watching overnight, but I'm also watching, like I said, WOJAK. That's what I'm in, and I'm also in Rect Coin as well. So that's kind of what we're looking at right now for the markets. If there's any requests, I'll do them. Otherwise, that's kind of what I wanted to go through right now. And if Bitcoin could just hold 27.8 or 28.2 in between that $400 range, I think that would send a lot of these coins mooning to the upside, as some of them are doing right now. Yep. So Shiba AI is now up 84% on the day. So a lot of these meme coins are just going straight parabolic. And then imagine adding leverage to them, which you can do on Mex Global. It's crazy, really, the amount of money you can make on some of these coins. You know, if you buy PEPE right now and you do 20x leverage, not financial advice, but if you do that and it goes to 24 like I just said it would, or that's what the measure move is, 68% chance that happens, you would have 20x overnight, or whenever that move would happen. High risk, high reward. You always use a stop loss when you're using leverage, you know. But yeah, PEPE looks like it. You know, it's ready to go in my opinion. Anyways, guys, there's no requests that I see, so I'm probably going to end the stream right away. I'll give it another minute, but if I don't see any requests, I am going to end the stream. Oh, that's brighter than I thought it would be. I forgot to turn that on. But anyways, yeah, it's kind of what I wanted to go through. I'm not sure where everyone's at today. We went live at the same time. I do go live now Mondays at 7:45 p.m. Central Time. So I'm not quite sure where everyone's at. Welcome King Midas. So I just spilled some Mountain Dew, so that is not a good thing. So give me a second to clean that up. But yeah. Hopefully y'all are making some money in this market. It's treating me okay today. And really, I just started trading on Mex Global about 2 or 3 days ago. Really what I'm doing is I'm going to the top gainers list on Mex Global, and usually I can look at the chart and find one of those coins that is doing a top gainer for the day and find a trade to take on them. That's kind of what I've been doing in the market the last 2 or 3 days, and it's working decently well for me. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to end the live stream. I'll be back live Saturday, 3 p.m. Central Time. Until then, trade safe. Have a great week. I don't know where everyone's at, but the turnout was not very good today, so that's okay. Hopefully Saturday will be better. It is a weeknight, though, so that might be part of it. I'll see you guys. Also, the market's going down, so that's probably a bigger part of it. But I'll see you guys in the next live stream, Saturday, 3 p.m. Central Time. Go follow my other TikTok channel, Crypto Boss Angel with 2 W's. 1,000th follower will get $10 in Bitcoin. I'll see you guys on Saturday for our next live stream. Well, to be honest with you, don't know what happened with the turnout, but it was pretty awful today. Yeah, I don't know exactly what's going on, or why no one's here, but let me see if, what's going on. Yeah, so I don't know where everyone's at today, but wow, now what are we up in this coin? So currently, PEPE, I'm only up 8%. I'm up now 50% on Wojak's, 44%. I'm up 150% on Rect, which is this one right here. That's looking good to me. So, anyways, that's kind of what's going on in the markets. I don't know what else to talk about. There's literally no request today, which hasn't happened in a long time. So, I'll see you guys in the next live stream, Saturday, 3 p.m. Central Time. Make sure you set your calendars for 3 p.m. Central Time on Saturday so that we get a better turnout, because I can't believe how bad it was today. But I will see you guys in the next one. That was literally